humans, welcome to the Color Lab. I'm Cassie and I'm going to show you some power tools from Dennis Bernard's Power Tools line. This is the Resistant Assistant in a handy little spray bottle, and as you know, we as stylists provide some sort of fountain of youth for our clients, especially when it comes to those gray hairs. It can be massively disappointing when your client leaves and there's still gray hair after a gray coverage service. So today, with the help of my husband, I'm going to show you how to use TRA. Galen has graciously offered to sacrifice his gray hair in the name of education, so let's get started. Alright friends, as you can see, we have some grays up here. Actually, in this lighting, it looks so gray, like it just blends in. But this is what we're going to be focusing on. So this is going to be really easy and really quick. What you want to do, have your gloves on, have your bottle, shake it up, make sure everything is mixed together. Then you're going to focus on the problem areas, which is typically like hairline, anywhere that's hormonal, so a lot of the time right in here, right down the back. And then you can do this just on problem spots, or you can do it globally, but you will need to spray everything or saturate everything equally. I like to shield my client's face so we don't spray this on their eyes. That's not professional. So you want to just spray this until it is saturated, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and then apply your color directly over that.
Here I'm just coloring over the Resistant Assistant with my choice of color, which is just a 5N, his natural color. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the actual product. It's a 3-minute pre-softener, just meaning that it swells the hair cuticle, giving our product or our color a little bit of an easier time working and expanding the color molecule. You can use this on perms, resistant gray hair, or even resistant hair before you curl or flat iron it. You can use it in all demi, permanent color, or in perm. And here is our final product.
Alright, thanks for joining us and learning a little bit about Dennis Bernard's TRA, Resistant Assistant. I hope that you had fun, and you can follow Dennis Bernard at Dennis Bernard Pro on Instagram, and you can follow me at Cassie Color Lab on Instagram. And I hope you see you again. I hope you see us again.